What's up guys, it's James. Welcome back to my channel, The Derpy Kitchen. For today's video, I'll be making tater tot chicken casserole. This one's pretty nostalgic for me, and tater tots are a hot commodity in my house. This dish is simple enough with a big flavor profile. If you like what you see here, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like it, and click the notification bell for notifications about new videos. Also, I'm on Facebook and Instagram at The Derpy Kitchen. Follow along if you'd like updates. Now, for the video.
Start dicing an onion, then set that aside for later. Prep and start cooking the tater tots according to the bag instructions. Then cook the onions in a little bit of butter till they are transparent, then add the ground chicken. When the chicken is cooked, add a quarter cup of white wine. Optional, but greatly enhances the flavor of the chicken. Simmer it until the wine is evaporated. Add a can of cream of chicken soup, mix it in, and warm it up. Add in about a cup of frozen peas and carrots, and simmer everything together for about 5 minutes. Add the contents of the pan into a casserole dish. Add the tater tots to the top and cover every inch of it in cheese. We're talking a metric butt ton of cheese. I'm using marble cheese, but you can substitute it for any type of cheese, including lactose-free and all those other fun things. Then bake it all in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. When the cheese is all bubbly, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before eating. Then dig right into that super cheesy goodness. This is a childhood favorite of mine, which I recently introduced to my wife, and it has become a staple meal for us. It is a really easy meal for anyone to make. The perfect comfort food, cheese and grease.
Thanks for watching guys. Tater tot chicken will remain one of my top 10 favorite dishes, constantly on rotation in my house. If you decide to make this tater tot deliciousness, remember to post it and tag me in it. I'd love to see your creations. I hope you liked the video. As always, comment down below. I'm always open to new suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not already, and make sure your notifications are on. See you next week.